If you're seeing the easy anti-cheat not installed error, don't worry, because in this video I'll show you two simple fixes you can try right now. This usually happens when the easy anti-cheat service fails to register properly with Windows during the game's first setup, so the game can't detect the anti-cheat files it needs to launch. The good news is that you can often fix it without reinstalling the whole game. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick gaming fixes. Alright, let's jump in. The first method is to manually trigger the Easy Anti-Cheat installer using the game's launch options. Start by opening your game library and right-clicking the game that is giving you the error. From the menu, select Properties. Once the Properties window opens, look for the Launch Options box. In that box, type install prod-fn exactly as shown. This command tells the game to force the Easy Anti-Cheat installer to run the next time you launch it. After you've entered the command, close the Properties window and launch the game normally. In many cases, the installer will run in the background, repair the anti-cheat setup, and register the service correctly with Windows. If the game opens successfully, that's a very good sign that the fix worked. Once everything is running properly, go back into the launch options and remove the command so it doesn't keep running every time you start the game. That step is important because you only need it for the repair process. If that does not fix the issue, move on to the second method, which is using the repair command through a desktop shortcut. First, find the game's executable file. You can usually do this by going into the game settings or library, selecting Manage, and then choosing Browse Local Files. That will open the folder where the game is installed. Once you find the main.exe file, right-click it and create a desktop shortcut. Now right-click the shortcut and choose Properties. In the target box, go all the way to the very end of the text. Make sure you leave a space after the file path, then type repair. This is the command that tells the game to repair the Easy Anti-Cheat installation when launched through the shortcut. After that, click Apply to save the change. Before you run it, right-click the shortcut again and choose Run as Administrator. Running it with admin permissions can help Windows allow the repair process to complete correctly. Let the game open and give it a moment because the repair may take a short time to register the anti-cheat files and rebuild what is missing. If the game launches after that, the error should be resolved. At that point, you can go back and remove the repair text from the shortcut if you want to keep things clean. In most cases, one of these two methods will solve the Easy Anti-Cheat not installed problem quickly and safely. If this video helped, please tap like and subscribe for more helpful gaming fixes, troubleshooting guides, and step-by-step tutorials. And if you're still having trouble, leave a comment below and I'll try to help you out. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.